Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart for Home. Today, we're going to talk about something that many Roku users have been curious about: how to get the Spectrum TV app on their devices. So, you've got your Roku device all set up and ready to go, but you want to access all your favorite Spectrum channels and shows. Well, you're in luck because it's super easy to do. 1. First things first, grab your Roku remote and let's get started. From the Roku home screen, navigate to the Streaming Channels option and select it. 2. Now, you're going to want to search for Spectrum TV in the channel store. Once you find it, simply click on it to access the channel details. 3. Now, here comes the exciting part. Select the Add Channel option and confirm your selection by clicking OK on your remote. 4. Great. Now you've successfully added the Spectrum TV channel to your Roku device. But wait, we're not done just yet. 5. For those of you who are Spectrum TV subscribers, you'll need to activate the channel to start streaming your favorite content. Don't worry, it's a breeze. 6. Grab your smartphone or computer and head to the Spectrum TV activation website. Follow the on-screen instructions to log in with your Spectrum account credentials and enter the activation code displayed on your TV screen. 7. Once you've entered the code and completed the activation process, you're all set. You can now enjoy all the fantastic content that Spectrum TV has to offer right from your Roku device. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. That's how you get the Spectrum TV app on your Roku device. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.